有没有兔年出生的？屬兔嘅有冇？哇！ Now the Lepi people are the #1 sign this year into romances. Very romantic year. So if you are in a business dealing with people, okay, public relations that is, you're in a buying and selling business, you're a purchasing agent, sales agent, you should do quite well. But because you're against the year Lepi, so you have to watch on your health. So you can be struck with small illnesses quite a bit this year too. So make sure you rest well and exercise well. 那属兔的人呢，今年讲做太岁是4个犯太岁的人之一。那属兔的人呢，今年这个桃花很重，所以呢，要是你做公关的、做那个明星的、做传媒的，要属兔的不错。但是呢，属兔犯太岁、做太岁，所以小心身体健康。 必須多休息、多運動才可以。嗱，屬兔嘅人咧，咪有話減減嘅語言，唔使講晒3樣咁長篇啊！英文同國語如果講得話，你掂唔掂啊？唔掂啊？掂，即係唔係國語同英文淨係，因為有啲國語人唔識廣東話。唔緊要，講得隔離咯，講完。嗱，咁即係話屬兔嘅人咧，今年係12生肖裏邊桃花最重嘅生肖啊！所以如果你係做公關啦、做對人嘅行業啦、做買賣啦、做為娛樂事業啦，今年冇得彈，因為桃花唔重。但係由於坐太歲主健康，所以咧要多啲休息，多啲運動嚟保健最緊要。嗱，有冇 any dragon people? Dragons? Two 有沒有屬龍的？ 有冇屬龍嘅生肖？得2個，數嚟數3個，咁少嘅屬龍嘅人。那屬龍的人呢是第2個犯太歲的，屬龍嘅人第1個犯太歲嘅。Dragon people are the second one, in a bit of conflict against the year. So if you want to find a sign to help you, the best sign to help the dragon is the one that usually fights with you. That's a tiger. Okay, get a tiger friend around you that can help you a lot. But the dragon people are in the creation, come up with new ideas, with creative ideas, explore into new fields would be the best for the dragon. Be a little bit careful when you're dealing with people, don't overly promise things, or don't boast yourself too much, otherwise you tend to upset people, so keep a low key at the same time. 那屬龍的人呢，今年是第2個犯太歲的，這個太歲叫害太歲，主要是人事問題。 人際關係，那屬龍的人呢，今年這個有一種創造性非常強的一個生肖，所以一個新的 ideas 都可以想得出來。所以屬龍的人今年是一種拓展，不宜保守，但是要低調一點。屬龍嘅人呢，今年呢都係一個叫害太歲主人事㗎，所以呢處事要低調啲。 唔好咁高調，同埋咧即係輕巧啲啦。但係因為主創作嘅關係，屬龍嘅人咧今年好多嘢落得出嚟，所以別開心面、別出心裁都唔怕。如果啲屬龍嘅人大膽啲創作。What about snakes? Any snake people? Good. Now snake people are 有冇屬蛇嘅？屬蛇嘅人有冇？有3個啦呢度。最靚個屬蛇嘅人應該1個舉手。I say the snake people are the best looking people. That everybody raise their hands. Okay. Now snake people are into a money year, so the investments usually will bring good benefits. But snake people are also into a little bit narrow-minded, a little bit skeptical and suspicious of people. So for the snake people, it's better that you sit in the back burner and make money instead of coming at front and upset people. So that's the strength and weakness of a snake person this year. 那屬蛇的人呢，今年來講呢，沒有犯太歲，財星也比較旺。唯一的問題呢，就犯了那個人際關係、人際問題，疑心比較重。所以屬蛇的人呢，犯了孤獨，也犯了一個傷人心。所以屬蛇的人要小心。 講氣呢，裏邊有生病有毛病。Snake people had to watch out some elder family members' health。嗱，宿舍嘅人咧，今年咧有財星入啊，匿埋揾錢最好啦。但係咧，佢就有多少叫做疑心重犯孤獨，乜人都唔信，所以會唔開心一方面。但係宿舍嘅人亦都要小心煩心唔升，所以小心長親嘅身體毛病，即係家中老人嘅健康要小心。Okay, now any horse people, horse. They say we're going to run like a horse, you have so much energy like a horse. 屬馬嘅人有屬馬嘅人。Now among the 12 signs, the horse people are the people with the most energy. So you always want to do something. Out of the 12 signs, the horse people also are the most impatient. Okay, but with the energy level they got, so this is a good year for the horse people to explore new fields, to get into research or to venture into something they never done before, and they can enjoy it. But because of the conflict, horse people also in conflict with the rabbit, so they tend to disagree with people also. So if you're putting near the horse, take a step back, and then you can make better friends instead of coming too much upfront. 那属马的人来讲，今年是12生肖里头啊，精力最旺盛的生肖。一般来讲呢，你说没有耐心的都是用马来代表，所以马很急很快。今年来讲，精力最不旺，是一个可以开花第一脑。要属马的就严重了，今年是最差的。但屬馬嘅人咧，今年12生肖裏邊係精力最旺盛嘅生肖啊，所以大力做開拓啦，做創業啦，做研究啦，一啲新嘅未見過嘅道路啦。但係由於佢始終係破太歲咧，所以變咗好容易產生爭拗啊，無端端拗大咁樣，所以屬馬嘅人咧喺呢方面就小心一啲好。OK，屬羊的 ，out of the 12 signs, sheep people are the best organizers in general. So I would say usually sheep people make the best accountants because they are very detailed, they have a winning spirit. When they start to do something, no matter what, they always like to win. So the sheep. But this year, they are ranked number 3 best sign of the 12 signs. Opportunities coming in bundles for them, and they do very well financially and people-wise. So very powerful. So congratulations, you're sheep. 属羊的人呢，今年排行是第3，跟那个兔啊是合起来的，所以有贵人帮你，可以创建一些新的事业，也可以了很多新的机会赚钱。还有这个属羊的人是非常好胜，所以今年来讲是你可以大展拳脚的一年。屬羊嘅人呢，今年係同個兔或者3合，排行第3最好嘅生肖。屬羊嘅人亦都係非常好勝啊！今年，所以咧由於好勝嘅關係咧，亦都容易俾人都背脊嘅，唔好唔記得啊！所以你屬羊嘅人可以大展拳腳啲發展，啊同時都要着翻件避彈衣喺背脊穩陣啲。入咗屬羊嘅人數好精嘅啫，唔錯嘅都。嗱 ，every monkey 有冇屬馬騮嘅人屬好的啊？ Now the monkey people are very interesting this year. If you work for other people, you actually have a very good chance to get promoted. This is a promotion year. Okay, if you want to start a business, you can do so. The only problem with the monkey is not much time for romances. So this is a year to establish a career, to start a career, and to make some money. And you can leave the romance sign behind you or with this pretty flat this year. 那属猴的人呢，今年应该是创业夸奖的一年，但是这个没有太多的桃花，所以属猴的人呢，今年呢是默默坚强的一年。今年要是打工呢可以升级，要是做生意呢，今年可以做得更好。嗱，屬馬騮嘅人呢，嗱就係今年呢，就係有多少係財就有啦，個權亦都有啦。 但係就有多少份孤獨㗎，所以咧個桃花就唔係好旺。In English language, have you ever heard about the joke of the monkeys? Never monkey another monkey's monkey. Heard about that? This is a very hard one to translate. 嗱，我啱啱講咗個英文笑話，千祈唔好同第二隻馬騮嘅馬騮玩馬騮，不要跟別的猴子玩猴子。知道這個道理不知道？明呢個啱啱呢個笑話，唔好同第二隻馬騮嘅馬騮玩馬騮。唔知啊 ？That means don't fool around with your friend's wife or husband, or girlfriend or boyfriend. So never monkey another monkey's monkey 明白即係咧呢個意思，唔好同第二隻馬騮嘅馬騮玩馬騮，即係唔好調戲人哋嘅男朋友、女朋友、老公或老婆咁解，唔好搞震即係話，明啦。So monkeys are very amazing sign that way, but monkeys can be very subtle, in a subtle way. Any roosters here? Roosters? 屬雞的生肖有冇屬雞㗎？嗱 ，if you're born in the year the rooster, you better listen to this carefully because the rooster and the rabbit are opposite. That means money spending or money losing. So if you're born in the rooster year, you have to spend money anyways. You may as well use the money in good ways, such as charity, such as donating your efforts to build something, or to renovate your home, or buy your beloved something, so you have to spend money. But at the same time, this is a venture-taking year, so if you're born in the rooster, remember when you're against the year, be mobile, travel more. Okay, don't just sit behind the desk. 那属鸡的人今年在冲太岁，冲太岁来讲是主破财，所以那个属鸡的人今年不可以买股票，不可以投机。由于他还是要花钱的，所以你可以多做一些公关，那个公益的行业，多買你的愛人啊一些東西，嚟應你破財先。屬雞嘅人今年沖太歲主破財，係咪都唔見錢㗎？所以可以多啲喐啦、旅行啦、使下錢啦，使翻俾你個愛人身上啦，咁樣啊好過去賭場，好過去揾股票，唔係你衰咗唔知邊塊。Okay, now any dogs, we always say working like a dog, except in Canada. In Canada, you want to be the dog because dogs are very liked in Canada, well loved. Just don't be a dog in China. 因為乜車要survive。嗱，屬狗的人有沒有屬狗嘅人？人話做嘢做到狗咁樣啊！喺加拿大唔驚啊！ Okay, the dog people are ranked number 1 this year. The best connects closely with the rabbit. Opportunities, love, romances, friendship, and money, and health. You are going to have all the good things going for you. So if you're born in the dog, 3 words, go for it. 那屬狗的人呢，12生肖裡頭是排行第1，跟那個土九6合，所以很多新的機會來找你，人際關係非常好，健康啊、財也好。所以你屬狗的要恭喜你們，要想做什麼心想事成。那屬狗嘅人呢，今年係同個兔或者6合年啦，係為之有大吉年啊，排行第1，財同埋呢個健康都會嚟揾你，人事又好，所以今年呢，你搞公關啦冇得彈啊，而家做買賣都掂。一路以前有啲嘢棘住搞唔掂嘅，今年可以將佢達成嘅願望。所以呢個屬狗嘅人啊，恭喜你啦！Any pigs, any boars？ 有沒有屬豬的 ？OK， 屬豬嘅生肖。All the 12 signs, the pig people are the friendliest of all the signs. Usually, if you see a group of people, chances are there have to be a pig there because they like to make friends, all kinds of friends. And this year, the pig people are ranked number 2 best, just next to the dog. But the pig's success into money, the pigs are going to make a lot of money this year, but they need one of the 3 conditions. Number one, they have to be knowledgeable. They cannot be shooting in the blank. Knowledge is very important. Number 2, people. You have to talk a lot and make a lot of friends. Okay? And number 3, you have to be famous. That way you make a lot of money. 屬豬的人今年排行第2，保育以後就是豬了，今年是非常成功，跟那個兔是3合。豬來講呢，成功賺很多錢，但有3個條件基成的。第一，一定要有名氣；第二來講呢，一定要多交朋友，多講話。 所以这个猪很重要。豬來講呢，是越凍產越多的嘢。屬豬嘅人呢，今年排行第2最好嘅，除咗呢個9號豬啦。豬嘅人呢，今年係旺於文昌，所以因學問而得財，因名氣而得財，因公關而得財，而且係主動得主席。所以屬豬嘅人呢，今年都要恭喜你，人事非常好 ，very good with people relations. Now what about the rat？ 有沒有屬老鼠的？屬老鼠嘅有冇？Okay. Out of the 12 signs, the red people are the best signs to keep money because they hide money. So 老鼠的人呢，12生肖里面藏这个钱是最好的，钱都可以把它收起来。12生肖裏邊老鼠係最識得收埋啲錢喎，然後你就一炒喺荷包識俾走唔甩。The red people are into fame and money. Fame and money. The second most romantic sign. Okay, so if they want to make their face name out, this is year to do it. This is year to make money. Just be careful about the waist area. The red people tend to have problem with the kidneys and with the waist. So be careful about that part of the body. 那这属老鼠的人呢，今年财星全星都非常好，桃花也很重，但是要提防腰病生病，多做腰部的运星旺強星亦旺，但係咧就刑太歲4個太歲生肖之一，所以咧屬老鼠嘅人啊，今年咧就仲要小心條腰，好易攝到腰同埋腰腎方面嘅病。所以如果你有尿酸金嘅體質啊，特別緊要，因為腰有關嘅。所以屬老鼠嘅人，any ox people, bull people 有沒有屬牛嘅？屬牛嘅生肖有冇 ？The most stubborn sign of the 12 signs. They say if you can make a cow to drink water, you have to make the cow willing to drink water. Otherwise, the cow will never drink water. 他們說牛不會喝水，你沒有辦法把它頭按上來，所以一定要這個不可以移。嗱，對呢個牛仔牛女咧係最硬頸嘅，所以要宜不宜行啊，唔係啲牛唔飲水啊，唔撳得牛頭低嘅。Okay, for the ox people, okay, be careful of a pleading sign, be careful about accidents. When you handle sharp objects or something, be careful. But the ox people, okay, is in the flat year, not high, not low, very stable year. So this is a safe year for you. But this is a very mobile year for you too. If your line of work requires you to travel a lot, do it. Take on all projects that have to go all the time, then you do well. The more mobile, the better you do. 屬牛的人呢，今年是主動的，所以越動財越高，不動理財，還有小心的血光之災。所以屬牛的人呢，今年最好早一點檢查身體清楚，還有小心肩的輕。屬牛嘅人呢，今年係主動不主靜嘅血馬坐正嘅，所以呢，越動得財越好，越唔喐就唔掂，同埋小心血光之災。所以呢，用支物嗰陣時小心。Now, the last one is a tiger. And the tiger 最後一個是老虎，有冇屬老虎嘅 ？Okay, the tiger people, a lot of people wonder what tiger are. Now, tiger people in an English horoscope would be perfect to the Leo. So tiger usually would be very good in talking, can be very emotional. But for this year, the tiger had a bit of a sickness sign, so you got to exercise well, be careful about small illnesses, such as light colds or flus. Okay, but the tiger in general is in the power year too. If you always want to do something, you haven't been able to do that, this year go do it. Just don't overwork yourself. 那个属老虎的人呢，今年这个权威也很好，所以要创业啦。一个从前的心都做不了的事情，今年可以干，但要小心小病，要坐正病心，所以多运動，多休息才好。呢個屬老虎嘅人呢，今年亦都係其實喺事業方面係唔錯嘅一年，但係由於犯咗病星咧，多少所以一定要休息同多運動保健。但係以前一路想做嘅嘢都未做得成功咧，或者唔知點做咧，今年你唔好啲3721做咗即係算咁，你會成功。 咁屬老虎嘅人，咁你咩生肖最能夠幫到佢咧？就係呢個屬龍嘅生肖。呢個屬老虎的，今年屬龍的就能夠幫助他。For the tiger people, remember dragon people can help them the most this year. Okay, have I missed anyone? Not much of a joke, but very serious talk. So the reason is, when we look at this kind of thing, we got to look at it scientifically. It's serious. It's not a joke. It's real. You follow my advice, it can change your life. 那刚才讲的是不可以说是什么好笑的事情，别严肃的，但这个很重要。你要是你有这个依据，对你未来的一年是非常有利的。所以呢，呢個生肖用一個嚴肅科學眼光去看待咧，對你會好有幫助。所以唔好等同兒戲，其實佢係一個科學，全部係數學。Okay, and no questions? Any questions? 冇問題。Okay, let me very healthy New Year. 第一，一定要健康，沒有健康，什麼都是假的。OK， 一定要健康，呢個所以第一件事，祝大家身壯力健。And number two, I wish everybody to make a lot of money this year. Opportunities are always there as long as you don't give up. The only person who can defeat yourself is yourself. If you don't defeat yourself, everything is money. You just have to reach for it. 第二来讲呢，这个世界都是遍地黄金，唯一你拿不到黄金，就是你告訴自己拿不到。否則都有黃金，所以希望今年大家發大財。第二咧，大家發大財，今年遍地黃金啊！其實只要你個心去攞，佢一定攞到。你心諗住攞唔到，你就一定攞唔到，就咁簡單嘅啫。其實嗱 number three, love the one beside you. Keep in mind, grass is not necessarily cleaner on the other slope. A lot of time is right beside you. Love your wife or husband, love your boyfriend or girlfriend, love your friends, love. Then you become a happier person. No hatred, just love. 第二点很重要，学会爱惜你身旁的人，你的爱人、你的先生、你的太太、你的男女朋友、你的朋友，这个很重要。你有爱心，这世界很明朗、开心了。你要是仇恨深，这个世界就非常不好了。嗱，最後一樣咧，大家要成立一種愛心，愛護你嘅太太、你嘅先生、你嘅男朋友、女朋友、你嘅朋友，愛護你身邊所有人，達成一種愛心，用愛心嚟取代個仇恨心。呢個世界咧會明朗好多、開心好多，自己都快樂、健康長壽好多。And that's the long living method. And I wish everybody healthy, make a lot of money, and very loving year. Thank you very much, old friend of mine, for many years. Okay, he's one of the absolutely best immigration specialists I know. Okay, so if you want to get a better chance to stay in Canada, that's the man to talk to. And that's Tony, my good friend Tony. Look.
Tony, would like to say a few words about your association.
Just want say happy Chinese New Year to everyone. I would like to wish all the best of you in the coming year of the Weapon and 恭喜發財祝大家兔年萬事如意，身體健康，多謝。
多謝手眼啦，廣東話版本。Margaret 以前寫小説好勁嘅香港，羅小雅。
明白世途多麼險阻，令你此時三心兩意。
看遠路正漫漫，誰為抉擇最容易？
前路渺茫，情困心事，問你可曾心生悔意？
愛別後也恨切，人在旅途灑淚時，
淚已流，
正為你。 嘅回憶嘅？
因為我哋都係香港嚟嘅，其實如果喺加拿大約應該約喺邊度最好咧？
天星國際美食中心。
冇錯啦，天星美食。
以前我住喺呢隻屋村嘅，我唔知佢住喺邊。
人在旅途，怎麼啟齒？萬語千言，怎表愛意？
看夕陽，正豔紅，誰料竟是哭必是。正為你鍾情意，
淚乾了，
像懷念往事。
心中有約誓，永不渝，期望有日相會時。
期望有日相會時，期望有日相會時。多謝，
多謝晒。
希望唔使等下一年先見到大家。走完我哋會再會嘅，多謝。
呢度咧會見到大家嘅。
任何地方
係啊，冇錯。
喺身體程都見到你嘅。
當然啦。
2 red lucky pockets.
兩封大利是。
033.
0333，睇咗人，哇，係咪你啊？係有人中獎，但係是一封 ，OK，second one， 恭喜你，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。第二個係，第嗰位係09595號095。JK 唔係你啊，企起身當係你啦。邊個中獎？095冇啊，第二位。唔得，數3聲。星島日報廖居威點可以咁嚟啊？好嘛，3、2、1，再嚟走咗攞。多謝 Lisa。
037.
03737號。有冇？又係你啊！其他都 Pink Lady。哦 ，How lucky you are！ Lisa 頒獎，我哋新輝地產嘅明日之星，恭喜晒！
兩姊妹贏晒。
兩姊妹贏晒最好啦！仲有冇獎品？好啦，仲有個獎品要唔要？成個箱俾你，飲酸辣湯。Peter 你都走啊，未食完㗎。
Thank you for coming. Make sure you grab one of the newspapers and the prediction booklet before you leave.
我哋今日有準備咗好豐富嘅伍志明大師嘅分析流年嘅詳細報導，同埋有好多禮物，希望各位喺臨走之前攞份返屋企，福有攸歸，喜樂滿兔年。多謝各位。